able to identify parallel lines, perpendicular lines, skew lines is so important in constructing buildings. Why don't we get a little practice in identifying parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines? Let's look at this figure. Let's see if we can identify a pair of parallel segments. Now, remember that parallel lines are coplanar and they don't intersect. So in this figure, we're looking for a pair of parallel segments. We don't want them intersecting. There are quite a few of them, but let's just identify a pair. I see line segment LM, and notice I'm going to put the segment symbol above it, is parallel to line segment QR. Okay. A pair of parallel segments. They don't intersect, and they're coplanar. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can identify a pair of skew segments. Remember, skew lines, they're not coplanar, they don't lie in the same plane, and they do not intersect. Okay? A pair of skew segments. What about line segment NK, which is this segment here, and what about line segment LQ? Line segment LQ. So we have this segment here, and we have line segment LQ, a pair of skew segments. Let's see if we can identify a pair of perpendicular segments. Remember, perpendicular lines, they intersect and they form a 90-degree angle. Okay, perpendicular segments. Guess what I see down here? I see a right angle symbol. So, a pair of perpendicular segments, there are quite a few of them in this figure. Well, let's just identify one. Line segment MR remember the symbol, and it's perpendicular, and remember the symbol for perpendicular is perpendicular to line segment RQ. Got it? Okay. One more. Let's see if we can identify a pair of perpendicular planes. Okay. Perpendicular planes are two planes that intersect and form right angles. Let's see. I see plane, this top plane at the top, and this plane here. So how do we name a plane? By 3 points of which two of them are collinear, or they even form a triangle if you were to combine those 3 points. So I see plane. The top plane is named plane KLM, is perpendicular to plane, this bottom one here, we'll call it MRQ. Perpendicular to plane, this one here, MRQ. Once again, identifying parallel perpendicular skew lines is so important.